Guys, today I'm demonstration to you Apex introduction, brief introduction. I will give you the brief introduction of Apex. I told in you my previous video. Apex is a low code development tool. You can say low code. It doesn't mean no code. Low code it doesn't mean no code. So we are basically able to shift our focus from the technical programming to solve a business problem, which is ultimately the purpose of a software. Welcome to my channel. My name is Ali Akbar, and this is your video series on Oracle Apex. So if you are wanna know to Apex, this is the series for you because I'm gonna to give you everything you need to know to start building applications. So you might be wondering what is Apex. Well, Apex stands for Application Express. So Apex allow us to build application very quickly because it's what are known as a low code development environment. So 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 what low code means is that we can still build application, but a lot of the actual programming is abstracted away from us. We just have to worry about component and different pages and how to paste everything together. So Apex is gonna make our life a lot of easier to make data driven application. Even if you don't know how to do code, no, it is a low code, not no code to if you need. If you need to do some customize or do something very specific, then then you have to capability to through your own code in there and customize your application. Oracle Apex, what does Apex let you do? Easily and quickly create powerful, responsive and beautiful apps. Leverage your skills, develop entire app from your web browser. Run your entire app from your laptop browser, your cell phone browser, your tablet browser. Leverage extension expertise from a large enthusiastic community. Develop on the cloud, on your laptop, on prem, on third-party clouds in VirtualBox. Free, you can free access Oracle Apex from free is www.apex.oracle.com service to prototype, run and share. No code solution when you use on apex.oracle.com or with Oracle database XC. It's mean when you wanna do practice or you wanna basic application, you should go to website or Apex provide you a free of workspace where you create your own free test application. That's that's a username, the URL name is apex.oracle.com, or you download from Apex website, and you can usually free develop your develop your Apex application on your local desktop system. Oracle Apex is a no-cost feature of the Oracle database. Its main three feature a no-cost fully supported features. It supported all type of version database 11G, grid 10G, sorry 11G, Express or Enterprise 12C, 18C, 19C cloud database. All DB edition EE, SE2X and XE3 edition supported. Included with cloud Oracle Cloud Services, no-cost evaluation services. Okay, easy to install, include by default with all addition of Oracle database. When you when you install your Oracle database from 11G, previous version of Oracle Apex come with from all version of Oracle database. Download the latest version from Oracle www.apex.oracle.com/otn. Oracle Apex Oracle Apex. This is a application in which you can develop responsive, beautiful web apps. Anyway, these apps you create on from your laptop, from your desktop computer, run from any platform, or you data platform Windows, data platform Android, data platform Mac, data platform any other browser. This application run from any browsers. Maybe Google Chrome, maybe Firefox, maybe Internet Explorer, maybe Ferrari. This uh, Apex, it is a beauty run from every browser. Development and deployment. When you develop your Oracle Apex, okay, guys, when you develop your application, then the next task is that where deployment and depend. This is the main three feature. You develop your Apex application you from your local system, local laptop, or on a servers, or on premises service, or where you're doing job, or you develop on a cloud. Let's start discuss first point. Local install on standalone laptops using Oracle Apex edition or full database version. Simply upgrade Apex to required version. Can work completely disconnect. On premise typically run the by IT department. It is generally both production operation service and services provided. Department responsible for application development. Okay, the third one is a latest version, latest technique. You can run you can run, or you can development, or you can deploy your application from cloud. A deploy internet application cloud prototype or proof concept. This is uh, all description I would explain in next video tutorial. I discuss in this video that this is a low code application, low code framework, low code tools. Okay, yeah, you can say low code and traditional coding. High Oracle Apex high productive. Low code versus traditional code. Oracle Apex faster to design and develop, faster to iterate enhancement. Non-professional developer can contribute if you don't know and how to do code, then you can easily create application in Oracle Apex. In other verses, you can see the traditional coding reduce application backlogging, deliver more value to user. Okay. Guys, now we would discuss short discussion on Oracle Apex history. As you can see in this picture, Oracle Apex version start from 1.5 and to the latest version 20.1. Oracle Apex, the first version of 1.5 call name was HTMLDB. Okay, when you download your database, Oracle Apex come with Oracle database, but that version of Oracle Apex is an old version. From you can update your version from download from Oracle Apex website. Every version enhance their productivity items. Let's start now. We move to on Oracle Apex real environment where we would create our project or application. Let's start. Here there is a login page where we would log in and create where user are put their username, workspace name, username and password. Then the user will would be able to log on to Oracle Apex interface environment for creating any type of application which you want, which you desire, which your organization desire. First of all, I put here workspace name. My workspace name is Ali Akbar. I put my username and then I put my password. When you press sign in button, sign using that, seeing that this is a main page after login successful login. After successful login, you seeing this page. You can see here the top menu, app builder, SQL workshop, team development, app quality. Okay, this is a shortcut of top menu. You can see app builder, you can see here also database application, workbase application. This is a this one app builders, SQL workshop, team development, app gallery. This is a standard icon. You can say standard icon, standard dashboard. This is a shortcut of top menu. Okay. Okay. This is in the right side. You can see here the about the user can see their version of or can see their version of Oracle Apex and extra and dashboard. This the left side dashboard showing that the how many applications you created in this workspace. I'm creating my using Ali Akbar workspace. I created my five application, and this is showing that total table for my or total tables created in workspace 42. Productive tab, we will discuss productive tab in this lecture later. Okay, this you can see here, this is a social link. When at the top app, if you using one workspace, you using created many apps, the top apps will be shown here. This is the top user. One application or one workspace have many users. The top user will be shown here. This is a message. You can set your message. Okay, let's start. We create. We today I would shortly introduction of app builder, SQL workshop, team development, and app quality. We will discuss in depth when we created lecture on this step by step. Okay, when we create on when we press on this button, this as you can see here, database application, web sheet application, create, import, export, workspace utility. When okay, this is all function is existing here. You can see say create application. You can create your application from here. You can import from here. You can design your dashboard from here. You can beautifully create a dashboard for your application, for your organization from here. Okay, this is workspace utilities. We would discuss about this later. This is a application which I created on this workspace. And in a previous I said that I created showing five application on this workspace. This is showing that I created this is five application created on this workspace. Let's start with create. You can create three ways your application. You can create from scratch. In scratch you would create from a DTL operation. You can say create your table, create your trigger, create your views. Then you when you wanna start from scratch, you can click here if you have any Excel, if you have any data structure or a data structure file, CVSS, XLS, XML, which so then you click here. This is a productivity app. This is a sample application, Oracle Apex for student, for basic learner. This is a sample demo application. You can click here for create a productivity app. We would discuss all the three ways in this tutorial, in this video, but I would explain here very shortly. When you create a new application, you would just type any application name. This is showing that appearance of menu. Oracle Apex provided by default appearance of menu on the top of the left side of the left side of the application. So you can select from appearance, and when you put your application name and then just create just press any feature from which you would see in your application. Just press create application. Okay, when you put any name, then create application, then your application would be created. Okay, uh, I'm just showing a short summary. Okay, when we create if, now I would create a form. Here you can upload your file, Excel file, a CSV file, text file, which contain a database structure. You can from choose here from your local system. Okay, if you have no file that Oracle Apex provide you a with dummy table with data. Okay, you can select here which type of application, which type of table you wanna create in this application for demo. Okay, this is a demo application of Oracle Apex provided. Academic, salesman, vehicle speed, world population. I just click on academic. You can see here the academic academic table, and their data would be shown here. Oracle Apex, when you create next button, when you press on next button, Oracle Apex create application on the behalf of this table, this data. You can change from sales. You can see here change data and change table structure. When I created on academic, I would create on a demo application on the academic table structure. I press next. I just you press any type table name. I put here ABC. You just create. You can see here data. I just press load data. When you press load data, you can see a table ABC created with 23 rows. Create application. Uh, Apex would be created this application on the behalf of this ABC table. You can see here I wrote. You can set your any type of application name. I just create ABC. Okay. Create application. This maybe take 2 or 3 minutes on the depend on system resource. Okay. Just or Apex created your application on the behalf of academic table. I just you can see here Oracle Apex created application demo application which consists of home page, dashboard page, thesis, search page. This is reporting page. We can see here when you press run application. I just put here my username, password. You can see the beautiful login landing page in the front of you. You can click on dashboard, research is portrait. You can select here. You can from navigation menu dashboard. You can see here dashboard, search, seed port. When we create on dashboard, in the front of you, there is automatically created for you dashboard on the behalf of those table which you selected. Okay, this is a very you can in for you can see here you can create your beautiful dashboard from Oracle Apex. You can create from here. You can search this is a type of report. You can see here. This is also type of report, and this is a academic calendar. This is guys. This was a shortly introduction of Oracle Apex dummy table. Okay. Now I'm closing this tab. I'm going back. I'm just pressing a productive app. Okay, this is all type of you can say you can say this is all type of a dummy application which you can install on your workspace for if for example if you wanna working on a group calendar on your application, you can select here for how to group calendar working. You can select here, and this you can see code from here, and then those code would be used in your application. Okay, sample that application. I install this application, dummy application. I sample dynamics action. I already installed this application, a sample tree. I already means that any application you just press and click this is created. When I just press this install application for this application for install this application. When you click on install application, this is a download and install in your workspace. I just showing you the my which I install productive app in the front of you. App builder. You can see here the sample data application. This is a productive app application, sample tree application. This is three. I installed three productive application on this application on this workspace. This is this is ABC I created here in this tutorial test. Also accounts management. This application is created from scratch. I just when I just show how how productive app look. You just create run application. You can store your password. Then Opex never would ask you from. You can see here this is a very beautiful page in the front of you. The landing page. This is you can say left. You can see this is a customer table. You can create your customer from here. This is a data entry screen. This is also stock report. You can see here. You can see here the order type. You press on. This is showing that order detail. This is wood working on like a drill down report. You can see reports, any type of when you select on this is showing any type of graphic you can use in Oracle Apex. So buddies, now we uh, discuss other element of this Oracle Apex. Guys, You can import your application from here. You can export import export very easily from Oracle Apex, but remember that version very important here. You can create dashboard here. We can work on workspace utilities. You can set your application groups, workspace theme, export your application from here. In the previous page you can see the import, and you can export from here application, export here, and then you can this file import any other server or any other machine in which you want. Okay, now we will discuss on second part. And top menu you can see that we discuss on create, import, export, work utilities. Okay, migrate one application from another application. Dashboard application, work speed, dashboard application, that application which we created, we discuss on, then which we create on from scratch. This is a work a website which we created on like this type of ABC. Okay, now we discuss on SQL workshop. This is a very beautiful feature provided by Oracle or provided by OPEX. You can see here object browser. When we click on object browser, you can see here very beautiful left side. You can see from the object browser you can select your table, views, index. When you click on views, there is a showing views. When you click on triggers, this will be showing your triggers. When you click any type of trigger, and then left side you Apex showing you code of trigger. This is a basic information, or you can see compile trigger, download, drop trigger, disable trigger, code. You can see from here code change from here. You can see SQL code from here. You can see here. This is a very beautiful workshop, SQL workshop part of Apex. You can say when I just click on ABC table, okay, you can see here table definition structure. You can see here the column name, data type, label, default. You can see here data. You can see when you click on data, Apex showing your data. You can edit from here. Indexes, you indexes here, model, constant. You check apply constant from here. Statistic trigger, SQL RESTful sample query, create record from where you can create, drop, enable query. Everything which you doing on your database, you can query perform here. When you can on the right side plus short button, you can create your table, views, index, sequence, type. I just creating table. I just press on ABC1. You can see here column name type A. Select any type database type. I just press a number. B. I just press voucher. You can select here a range of number or voucher. I'm just not null identifier. Now when you click on next, this is a very beautiful feature. Other feature you can select just press on. You wanna create primary key or not? Apex created auto primary key indexes, and you can see indexes and index trigger sequence auto generated for you. No primary key, no primary key populate from a sequence, populate from a existing, not popular. I just press next. You can see here add foreign key. This is a very beautiful. You can create from a foreign key, disable, disallow, delete, cascade, delete, all function which your your DBA working, you can all type of feature you can perform here. Then when you press next, this table will be created in your structure, database structure. When they created, there is okay. When you created, this is shown in object browser here. Okay, second, you can use SQL command. You can use here SQL select type any type of commands. Select static from ABC. You just press run. You can see here this is at the bottom Apex would show you data. You can type any type. You can type any type of query here. You can, if you have complex query, you can save that query from here. You can put your query name here. I also save my some complex query here. This is save query 7 week ago, 7 week ago, 2 months ago. You can see here save query, also complex query saved on a pack. This is showing your history. Select query history. You can see here whose type of query you run on this. This is a result type. Okay, now we will discuss on SQL script. This you can see here. If you have a or any type of script in which you can script, you can see here any type of script which you wanna run on this SQL workshop, you can import here, upload. Then you when you upload, then that script would be listed here. Then you just press run. That script run automatically on this SQL workshop. Okay, I just showing that my host type of scripted I run in it. I just showing you that I did say, for example, I created I created this type of two tables, two or three table or code database structure, DTL file, dump file. You can create, you can execute from here auto created database structure from your script. Okay, guys, SQL script utilities. Now we'll discuss a short discuss on utilities. Utility is also very beautiful part of Apex. All utilities you can see here: quick SQL, generate DDL, schema comparison, recycle bin. About this is all utility which your DBA or which your desire of regarding database, all query, all you need fulfill here. SQL workshop utilities, database quick SQL, sample database, query builder, all type of you can say the query builder. Okay, I will discuss in this generate DDL. You can see generate your DDL. When you create generate DDL, this generate or your script DDL script for your database for your database. Now we discuss very beautiful feature SQL. Guys, this is very beautiful feature for those who for those developer or for those person who's don't know how to write a query, how to create a table, how to create a function. This is a very beautiful feature. If you any person don't know how to do SQL query, any type of query, then you this is a very a beautiful feature for that person. Okay, I'm creating table. Say suppose I don't know any type of a table structure. I don't know any query how to create a table. I don't know how to write query. I don't know how to create table from SQL Workshop. I just press write down here. I wanna create table. Just I press type here table name. I create table name. Write uh, A B C D. Okay, you just press enter. In the left side you can see here that Apex created auto created for you table sequence. You can I just press just space. I press A, then enter, then press B, then enter. You can see here Apex auto generated created for a table for you. Create table ABC. You can see here my table name here. Two type. This is auto generated number ID. ABC Varcha 2. ABC. You can see here auto trigger. Insert up. Insert. This is auto sequence for, generated for you. This is a very you can create table view function any type of if you have no idea how to create that. Okay. Okay. Guys, this is if you don't know how to use quick SQL, you just click here sample or help. You can data type table, table data type. I would use this type of guys. If you want to create a table and also want to create a data, I just write this. When I click on next enter button, you can see here I wrote slash insert 10. It means that Apex would be created 10 rows for my table or for me. You can see here this is a auto generated 10 rows insert to. You can see here this is a 10 row auto generated for you. This is a very beautiful feature for a beginner. Okay, you can I'm just clear here. Now I'm creating view in the front of you. I just type VIE view. I'm just view typing just view name. I'm view name. Just press view name Ali Akbar and just I just play type first table name, second table name. My table name is COA. We can see here table name from here. Yeah, we will create view on this table. I just paste here space paste second name. When you enter this you can see here database Apex auto generated query for you. You can set here your join condition from here. You can say create view from all type here select यहाँ पे. Okay, now I'm clearing that. Once more thing, I'm creating table ABC A B C and just press space. You can see here we can data change data type from here. I'm changing C data type. I'm just press VC and press 50. You can see here bars are 50 created. If I want to 8 want to change data type, I'm just press number
you need to press enter. You can see here database generating number. Okay guys, uh, now we will discuss on team development. This is a feature for a suit for office. Your HOD, your manager can assign you a milestone from to different people for setting milestone. You can set here. You can see here label, milestone, temple, utilities, all type of team development. Team development milestone, team development strategy that you can set here. This is a app gallery, productive app I discussed already in here. When you click on app gallery, this is showing up productive and you can select and just install for how to Apex app gallery working, or you can see here coding of all type of uh, productive app. Guys, this is a very basic introduction of Oracle Apex I showing you. So guys, this was short introduction. I cover all feature of Apex. I'm I'm a demonstration on to you using Oracle Apex 20.1. Okay, you can see here application version. You can check from here. I'm just showing you a demonstration on 20.1. I would my next tutorial on 20.1 latest version. You can see on the right side, I'm logged in as a workspace Ali Akbar. My role is administrator. You can change your picture. You can change your edit your profile. If you are working on the night, you can press here dark mode. This all type you can enter your dark mode. This is a very beautiful feature. Preference, you can sign out from here, and you can see administrator role. You can assign roles for different user. I would create roles type features. So guys so guys now I would show you my application which I created from scratch. Now just I'm changing this mode from day. I created this application. I'm showing this application run from this application from my laptop, as well as I'm showing you from my mobile cell phone. I'm just pressing run application. Press password. Put password. You can change background. I'm just changing my background. I'm changing this logo. You can see here. I'm changing the background. You can also change. I will demonstrate in next video for demonstration on next video for changing login page, login page image. Just press sign in. You can see here. You can set set slider as well as auto skip. You can put any number of picture. I'm creating here. You can set marquee like doing I'm like you're doing working on actual real web application. I'm showing you that this is left side menu account. This is a item. This is you can see definitions. I'm just creating. You can see here, if you want to create, just press create. You can put here your information. You can edit from here. You can set your LOB from here. You can see here. You can select, and you can set atom list. You can set atom list. You can use radio button. You can use checkbox button. Each everything which you think all all possible existing in Apex. So you press atom. This is a definition table. I'm just in transaction. I'm just showing purchase invoice. You can see here. You can set any type of transaction from here. This is a layout. Apex provided many type of layout. I'm just showing you this type of. You can see here sale invoice, leaving this page, showing this. Okay, I'm showing you detail master page. You can see master record up, detail card down. This is the other master detail for format is format. You can see sample template master detail form. I'm just closing here and just reports item ledger. You can set your parameterized report. You can from date to date item from you select here item. Okay, this is a parameterized report. You can set here all I created all type of approximate all report, parameterized report, item stock report. You can very date one auto generated. Okay, cash voucher, bank voucher, then day book, everything which is here. I'm just pressing the dashboard. I'm creating a dashboard, day cash book. You can here month wise, week wise, month wise. There's no entry data available. Okay, I'm going landing page. You can set here management. Okay guys, now guys, now I'm showing you this application run from my mobile. Stay with me. You can create record from here. You can select here. you can see a record